What's up guys, this is Flo and today I'm gonna introduce you to a 5-in-1 reformer for Pilates. Is it worthy? Is it not worthy? Let's find out. So the TB10 is a 5-in-1 foldable reformer which will allow you to train Pilates or deep muscle, your core, your glutes directly from the comfort of your home. Let's start straight with the real question. Is it similar to the Pilates you can find in a dedicated studio? The answer is definitely no. But Pilates can be costly and expensive, and it can be also very scary. If you're a beginner, it's a bit intimidating to go to a studio, see all those super strong girls. But UMAY TB10 will allow you to train from home without breaking the band and slowly build up. Is it gonna help you to be as a super strong human you want to be? Maybe not, but it's a good way to start your journey. First thing first, let's talk about the unboxing. The TB10 comes fully assembled. You just have to add a few accessories. It'll take only a few seconds. It's super simple, so don't worry about it. It comes with different colors. My wife has chosen purple, which is super girly, and it also comes in gray and green, so you have different options to match your personality. You will be able to fold it in half, as I said, which means you will be able to store it very easily under your sofa, your bed, behind the door, anywhere you want in your house without wasting any space. Plus, you will be able to move it around whenever you want, in your car, in your garden, and enjoy your training while enjoying the nature at the same time. Design-wise, it is simple and minimalist, and I was actually surprised by the build of the reformer. It is actually strong and durable. To be honest, I had no expectation at all with this type of product, but after receiving it, I was positively surprised because it's actually strong and durable. It also comes with a knee pad and an elbow pad, which is the same to help you protect you from the ground and feel more comfortable. Plus, it also comes with some cute little socks that will come with the device that are cute and will help you with comfort. It's very simple to use. I'm a personal trainer and my wife is also a personal trainer, so for us it was easy to create like a workout selection. But if you are also a beginner, it also comes with an app that will help you with guided workouts. You will be able to train your glutes, your legs, your arms, your shoulders, your core, your abs, and also your stability. It's gonna be great for you to improve with your stability, your balance. Now let's be real, this is not gonna replace a workout session or strength training with actual resistance, because the resistance is made with resistance band, which is great if you are a beginner up to intermediate. But if you are already an advanced lifter, it's gonna be tough for you to have enough resistance, even if it's different movement. So if your goal is to build muscle mass, I would recommend you to use this as a side tool and still go to the gym. But if you want to improve some Pilates movement, some deep muscles, yes, it's gonna help you to improve your stability and everything. But keep this in mind, this is not something that will replace the gym to build muscle. But overall, it is great. As I said, if your goal is to work from the comfort of your home, choose where to train, you have the ability to put it on the side without thinking about it, because big Pilates reformer is massive in real life, and this will help you to just fold it, put it on the sides. We know that motivation come and go. With this on the side of your house, you don't think about it and it's not gonna waste space. Is it gonna help you to progress? Definitely. So I would say that it is still a great device. Personally, I've trained every time 10 to 20 minutes to keep the things high intensity, one movement to another. I followed the app, I did my own workout, and overall both of the options were great and helped me progress. So who is it for? Well, if you are a beginner that wants to get his first step into the Pilates world, if you want to be a Pilates girl or a Pilates man, this is definitely a great option. If you are a little shy still to go and do a full session, that can be intimidating for some people, I definitely get it. I love to train at home. If you want to improve your core, your flexibility, your stability, and slowly get started, it is definitely a great option. Plus, it's foldable and it's affordable, so I will recommend it. And the good news is UMAY is offering us the ability to offer you a great discount, so you can get even a cheaper price. You'll find the code and the link in the description below. In the meantime, if you have any question about this product or any other product from the brand, feel free to ask and I'll be more than happy to reply. I wish you a good workout and I'll see you very soon.